In this video, what I'm going to do is show you how to lose weight when you've tried a bunch of things, but nothing seems to be working out. What's up everybody? In this video, what I'm going to be doing is answering a question that I got sent in from Pete. And Pete sent this question in through my Instagram account. And if you aren't following me, by the way, you can go ahead and follow me right here. And he sent me this. He said, I've been following your journey for nearly 2 years. So much of the information resonates with me. I'm 47 years old, 138 kilograms, and honestly, feel like a complete failure. Nothing has resulted in lasting weight loss. And I'm at the point that even though I have a lot of bravado, I'm hating being in my own skin. I'm in a space where I don't even know how, if where, to correct things. So I'm gonna give you 3 steps. And this is for anyone who has tried to lose weight, you've tried a ton of things, maybe you tried a ton of diets, maybe you went to a personal trainer, you've gone to a coach, you signed up for this program and it didn't work out. And maybe you do feel like a failure. Maybe you do feel like there is nothing else out there that is going to work for you. Which brings me to step number 1, and that is to have faith. Because there is a process that you can follow that will help you lose weight. Now you might say, well Matt, I can't say that. I've tried all these different things and nothing seems to be working out. But here's what I believe. I believe that if somebody has got a result in the past, I believe that I can do that if I just know the recipe for success. If someone creates a dish in the kitchen, you can model the dish based on their recipe. So all you may be lacking is the recipe for your body. Maybe there's a lot of diets out there that work for specific people, but the type of lifestyle that you're following may not be serving you. So I always, anytime that I'm feeling down in any area of my life, whether that be with my business, whether that be with my health, I always go, who is someone that I can look up to? Who is somebody who has gotten the result in the past that I can look at them and be inspired by? That's why I love reading autobiographies or watching documentaries on Netflix of people who have just achieved amazing things, because it allows me to have faith that if they can do it, then guess what? I can do it too. So Pete and everybody who is struggling with losing weight and you feel like you're just feeling down, have faith. And how you do that is by finding somebody who has gotten the result in the past, looking at them and going, if you can do it, then I can do it too. Which actually brings me into step number 2. This step right here is going to save you so much time, money, and effort if you follow it. Step number 2 is to follow a blueprint that works. Success leaves clues. If somebody has lost weight in the past, and by the way, here's the key thing. If somebody has lost weight in the past, it was effective, it was sustainable, and it was an enjoyable process. That's what I believe you should be following. That's what I believe you should be finding people who have achieved those things. Because there's a lot of people on Instagram, for example, and they could post this amazing body transformation photo, but behind the scenes, it felt like shit the whole way through. That isn't to say that losing weight isn't going to be hard, because you're going against so many patterns and neurological pathways that has been created for you to reach for junk food. So yes, it's going to be hard, like breaking out of that cycle. But what I'm talking about is there's a lot of people restricting themselves of calories so much where they just feel like crap. You can lose weight in a very quick way, but it can be unhealthy and it can be unsustainable. I believe in being the rabbit. No, I believe in being the turtle, that's a new word, tortoise and tortoise combined together. I want you to be the turtle, all right? Be the turtle, not the rabbit, not the hare. I'm stuffing up with this analogy so damn bad. But you get what I'm saying. You get the idea of what I'm talking about, right? Go slow. When you go slow, are you going to get results still? Yes. Is it going to be as quick as Jenny or Ryan on Instagram who has lost 15 kilograms in 12 weeks? Probably not. But you know what's gonna happen? Is you're gonna create this healthy relationship with food. You know what's gonna happen? You're gonna wake up feeling amazing. You know what's gonna happen? You're gonna be nourishing your body with all these foods and you're gonna be losing body fat. You're gonna be seeing pictures every single month of changes, but it's not going to be this gigantic change. Most of you are wanting the quick fix. And it's time to recondition your mind to not want the quick fix all the damn time. You may be saying, well, Matt, I do want the quick fix. Well, let me ask you a question. How has that been working out so far? How has going quick rather than slow and sustainable been working? Maybe you've been binge eating because you've been wanting that result so quickly. So you restrict yourself so much, and then you're depriving yourself of glycogen in the brain and in the body, which is carbohydrates, and you feel like you just want to reach for a little bit of food, but you feel so out of control because your body is just starving for food so much that you just reach for a little bit, but that little bit turns into a gigantic amount of food in one sitting. You can break out of that if you just decide to go slow, right? Bali over here, it feels like there's going to be an earthquake or something like that. I don't know if you heard that, but that was thunder or whatever, I don't know what that was. So that's number 2. Model success. Success leaves clues. Follow a blueprint that works. And then number 3, I want to give you a specific example, a specific, tangible, practical tool that you can use right now. And that is to watch your calories. Now, you may be saying, well, Matt, I've heard you in past videos not talk about calories, to not go down calorie counting and focus on intuitive eating. I believe that every single person is totally different, right? I've had clients join Self-Mastery, for example, and based on just their language, I can find that they're somebody who needs structure. They gotta have structure to begin with. And then after that, I ease them into intuitive eating. So for you, if losing weight isn't working right now, it may be because you may be guessing how much food you're eating. You may be guessing your way to weight loss and it's not working out. You see, in Self-Mastery, I talk about 2 directions you can take. You can either count your calories to really carefully lose weight, right? It's very analytical. Or you can focus on behaviors that allows you to be in a calorie deficit without counting calories in the first place. For example, one thing you can take is 10,000 steps a day, which allows you to burn an extra 400 to 500 calories a day based on your weight and so on, right? So you can focus on that, or you can focus on the calories, which is restrict yourself for 500 calories, or train but focus on the behaviors, which is 10,000 steps a day. So for you though, what I want you to do is start tracking. Get on MyFitnessPal, start tracking how much food you are actually eating. Just do it for a week. I don't want you to do this for a whole entire life because a lot of people tend to create this unhealthy relationship with food. But I just want you to do this for a week because awareness is key. Awareness is a big step to weight loss because you cannot intervene in a world that you cannot see. If you're guessing your way to weight loss, you're probably gonna have a hard time losing weight. But it's highly likely that you can lose weight if you find out this is how many calories I need to be eating in order for me to lose half a kilogram to a kilogram a week. This is how much I'm eating every single day. Oh shit, it's not aligned with how many calories I need to be eating every single day. So what little adjustments do I need to make? Okay, what if I just take out this soda? What if I just take out this sauce? What if I just take out these processed snacks that I keep having every single day? What if I just transition that for fruit instead? What if I have bananas for breakfast instead of this massive smoothie bowl that gives me 600 to 700 calories? What if I just have a big bowl of fruit that gives me 300, 400 calories? Interesting. By making that little shift, I can now be in this space of being in a calorie deficit, which allows me to still eat healthy, which allows me to feel nourished, and it's also helping me lose weight. It's slower, but it's sustainable. I can do this. So that's something that you can do. Follow those 3 steps and watch yourself win. Watch yourself lose weight, and it's gonna be sustainable and it's going to be enjoyable as well. If any of you need some personalized help with this and you're wanting to lose weight, you've tried a ton of diets out there, but nothing seems to be working out. Specifically, if you are somebody who is wanting to lose weight, but you've tried a ton of diets out there, nothing seems to be working out, you're a lady who is open to a plant-based approach, or you're already following a plant-based approach, then I have a program called Self-Mastery, which you can check out down below. You can look at other people who have gotten results from the program so you can see that this process actually works. If you need some help, go ahead, click the button, and you can apply for a 10-minute call with me and we can talk a little bit more about your goals, what's holding you back, and we can find out if Self-Mastery is a good fit for you. So go ahead and click that link down below. If you got some value from this video, go ahead and leave a comment down below and let me know what really helped you out in this video. So subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up, and until I see you guys in the very next video, remember to love all living things and most importantly, love thyself.